We'll go. No, we'll go this one. I'll go here. This one. I'm going for. So we'll go here. Just I'll go here. Come here. I will go. I will check this. Oh no, there's some garbage here. Yes, some garbage here. Check. Oh no. Oh no. I will fix the techno mobile. Yes, I have a pack. I will pack a techno mobile. Very good for Techno. This is a Techno new model. This is no damage phone. Oh yes. That's what we check here. This one garbage. Oh no. Another garbage. Oh no. We will check. Oh no, I have it. No, it's another tablet. Oh, I wouldn't be with a tablet. Huawei tab. Oh no. Get the world tab. Oh no. I will check this. Oh no, I have. And someone Apple phone. Oh, Apple, I like this Apple phone. Oh yeah, this small Apple phone. This is iPhone 6 Apple. Oh no, yes, I got some tablet. Check me, yes, in here. Check this one. We go here. Oh, check me this one now. This one is now another phone. No, yes, I will go to the another side. We'll go to the another side. We'll go to another side. We'll go to another side. We'll check here and go to another side. There's one another garbage here. We'll check this one. Oh no, some lot of phone. Oh no, S21 Ultra. Samsung S21 Ultra here. What is this? This is now another thing. This is nothing. This is a damaged phone. This is an Ultra. 21 Ultra. Oh no, this is LCD damage here. LCD is damaged. No, this one is a great phone. This one is a great phone. 21 Ultra. Oh no, this one another phone. Oh no, this is itel. itel looking here. This is itel. No, this one is itel. We'll check here. This one is itel phone. Oh no. We'll check here. This wet. We check this one very heavy phone. Don't check go ahead. There's another phone. This is a Nokia. We want to go to Nokia phone. There's a lot of phone. Oh no, we will check here. Wet. We will go to another side. Yes, here's here. Oh, another garbage here. There's another garbage. Oh no. Oh, this one is a Samsung phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy. This is one clear. This was a damaged phone. Oh no, yes. We'll check this another one. We'll check this. This is not here. Oh no, this is another phone. This is another phone. This one another phone. This is a Motorola phone. A Moto phone. This is a Moto phone. This one with a Moto phone. Oh no, this one Moto phone. That's another. Oh, we'll go to another side. We'll go to another side. Oh no, this one is some dollar, some rupees. Oh no. This one is some rupees. Oh no, this one is a cash here. Oh no, this one is a cash. Oh no, today I have a lucky day for me. Oh no, yes. Another see double check here. We will go today. I have a lucky day for me. We will go here. I have a lucky day. We have some lucky day for me. So God, here, go to the white. There's a black here. There's a red thing here. That's one's a clear phone. There's a shiny there. So today is shiny there. We like that. Don't go here. Don't go here. Don't go here. In this one. Yeah, this is my leg. A lot of things. This one. This is an item phone. This one is Samsung S21 Ultra. This one is stuff. And this one is a Nokia phone. So today, this one is a Samsung Galaxy. Oh now this is a Galaxy phone 5. Yes, this is a very clear phone. Now we will check this one. This one is a Motorola. Yeah, this is a very dirty. It's a very dirty phone. It's a very dirty phone. It's one of the very dirty phone. We will check another one. This one is a iPhone. iPhone 6. Oh no, this is a crack. We will check this store. We will check this and we will restore the Samsung. This is that. I think this is one of the that. This one is a dirty dab. This one is a dab here. This is a Huawei dab. Well, check this. This is a Huawei dab. I'm more to dab with good food. This is a Infinix phone. This is a Techno phone. This one is a Techno phone. This is a new one. But this I don't know what is problem here. This one is a gas here. This one is a gas. What's this gas here? Oh, this one is a gas. I will just store one food. Different. I will check this board. I will check this and I will write here. I will check this. I will check this board. I will check this. I will check in here. Install the board. This one, check this. Already one checking here. It's LCD. Power button. This one the LCD. This one. Put the cover. Put the cover. Waiting here, I will check this. This one is installed. Store this phone. Oh yeah. This one is the crack phone. No, this is the old phone. No. This one is old phone. This one is old phone. No, it's not the one Ultra 5G. This one is old phone. No. This one is a clear phone. No. A guy today for me. Oh no, I like this one. It's a great for today, lucky day for me. It's a great working. Oh, we'll check this. We'll remove the charge and put the cable. This one is working well. Oh no, some garbage I don't know about this amazing. This one is a charge here. Check the charge. I will check. This is a charging working here. Oh no, this great phone, this is working well. We will check this. Oh yeah, this one is a great working. Oh no, today I was a lucky day for me. What a great day. Oh, this is a great day for me. We'll check this. This is a great day for me. It's a lucky day. Okay. This is a very amazing working. This is the first working here.